Hi friends. So good morning and good evening to all of you. So in this video we will discuss about another interesting stuff about IICS. I hope you all are doing good and every day you are trying to learn something new. So first of all, suppose you are having three tables, okay, three sources, okay. If you see name of the column is different, okay, it is having two record, okay. Another table it is having two records but columns are different, okay, but structure is same, okay. And now suppose this is your third table. Now suppose you come up with requirement like you need to load data of all these three tables into one final table, okay. So definitely if you are I have created all these four tables in a single schema, single database, but definitely in your real time project what will happen, like these three sources would be from different database, okay. These three sources might be some file, okay. These three sources might be present in some table, but our requirement is we need to load data from all these three tables or three files into a single table. But here one condition is mandatory, like all these three tables or files should have same structure, okay. If you see here, like my columns names are different, but structure and like data type and I can say that a number of columns are same, okay. Here also, okay. Now how can we achieve this thing through IACS? So it's a very simple but yet useful like transformation which we are going to discuss here, okay. So we can achieve this thing with the help of which transformation? Union transformation. Which transformation we can work here? We can achieve this with the help of union transformation. So how we can achieve this thing? Let's see. So first of all, what we can do, we have to from here, if you see here, we are having option of source. You can drag and drop like three times of sources, okay. And first source, what we can do here, in the first source you can map like first table, okay. In the second source, like our first table is test one, okay. And in the second source your table would be test 2, okay. And similar in third source your table would be test 3, okay. So you might be thinking, okay, so why we are taking these three sources one by one, why we can't we directly implement union all in first source? So yeah, you can do here, okay, but it's a single database, or you can say that we are getting data from only single source. But in case suppose your one table is present in your Oracle database, another table is in your uh, SQL server, and third table is in your Snowflake. So in that case you cannot directly write union or query in your first source itself, okay. So in case of heterogeneous sources also, if I take example, so first of all you have to drag all these three sources, make the connection and provide the name of your tables. Now what you can do, you can just drag and drop into one transformation called union transformation, okay. So you can go here, okay, and you will find the union transformation. You can go just drag and drop, okay. Now so whenever you drag and drop here, you will see a plus icon, okay. It will show you only two input one, input two. So suppose you have to add number of inputs, what you can do here, in that case what you need to do here, you have to just click on this your union transformation, okay. And you have to go to incoming fields, okay. If you see in incoming field, you will seeing only two options. Suppose you have to add multiple option, you can just go here, okay. You just click on this new group. So number of groups, so how many groups you want to add, you can add it here, okay. So this is the first thing, okay. Let me first delete this thing. Mm. Yeah, I have deleted now. So in this way you can add multiple groups. Now what you can do here, now you can just drag and drop all these three sources to multiple, all the different groups. Now let us go to now union transformation. So in the incoming fields, here what you can see, you can see all the three incoming fields groups. So and if you let me scroll down here, if you see name of all the three input columns here, first thing. Second thing, output fields. So this is very important thing. So like once you are drag and drop on, like you have dragged and dropped for two columns from each table. So it might pick from first table or second table output fields. Now field mapping. So this is important. If you see here, we have taken input from three groups. So for all the three input groups, first of all you have to map. So for first input group will, you need to go and map it from your output group. Now again you have to go to a second input group, and again you have to drag and drop, or you can say that with the help of auto map you can map. Similarly, for third group also you have to map. Once you are done with these things, you had to drag and drop your unit transformation to your target. So in the target you will see you will get two incoming fields. Okay, target you have put this is our final table. Okay, and after it you can just map these things. So this is all from union transformation. Okay, now let me run this thing. So till the time it is running, let me tell you some other interesting stuff about this thing. So union transformation. So if I talk in IICS, okay, so with the help of union transformation, what you can achieve? You can achieve union all. Okay, you cannot achieve union. So it will not remove any duplicate values. Okay, if suppose in all the three tables if you are having any duplicate values, complete duplicate, it will not remove. So it will just work as a union all in your database. Okay, so like suppose if you are querying anything in your database, if you are having union all clause, it will work in that way. First thing. Second thing, union all is, I can say that, just opposite of your, sorry, union transformation is opposite of your router transformation. If you want to just recall this thing, why? Because in router you are providing multiple sources. Okay, and sorry, in router what you can do, from single source you can get multiple outputs. Okay, in union you can from multiple sources you will get single output. So if you see here, from source 1 we have taken 2 rows, source 2 2 rows, source 3 1 row, total 5 rows we have taken, and that has been loaded into your target. Okay, so now let me go to our database. So if I query this thing, if you see here, 5 rows has been loaded. So if I consolidate all this discussion, so first of all, to load data from more, if your source is having similar structure, if the source is your heterogeneous sources, with the help of union transformation you can load the data into single table. Okay, and it is just, I can say that, opposite of your router transformation. Okay, third thing, like in case you are implementing your union transformation, so inside union transformation you can add multiple groups, and you have to do field mapping for each and every group with your input and output. So that's all from this video. Thank you.